Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a product that promises to elevate the quality of your drinking water, the APEC Water System's WFS-1000 Super Capacity Premium Quality 3-Stage Undersink Water Filter System. We found this gem online and have included a link in the description for you to check the latest price and availability. So, what exactly is the APEC WFS-1000? This is a high-quality, undersink water filtration system designed to provide you with clean, refreshing water right from your kitchen tap. It effectively filters out a wide range of contaminants, ensuring that you and your family can enjoy great-tasting water without any harmful substances. One of the standout features of the APEC WFS-1000 is its three-stage filtration process. The system uses NSF-certified super-capacity filters that are guaranteed to remove chemicals, unpleasant tastes, and odors from your tap water. This means that whether you're dealing with water from municipal supplies or well water, you can trust this system to treat it efficiently and effectively. The filters are designed for long-lasting use, providing you with unlimited fresh water without the need for constant replacements. Another remarkable aspect is the quality of the materials used in this system. The APEC WFS-1000 is built right here in the USA and comes with a 100% lead-free chrome faucet. This is an important feature because lead can pose serious health risks, especially to children. Additionally, the system includes NSF-certified JG food-grade tubing, ensuring that every component is safe for drinking water. Now, who is this product suitable for? If you're someone who values high-quality drinking water and wants to eliminate contaminants from your tap water, this system is perfect for you. It's ideal for families, health-conscious individuals, or anyone who simply enjoys the taste of clean water. Whether you're cooking, making coffee, or just staying hydrated, knowing that your water is filtered can give you peace of mind. Let's talk about some practical use cases. Imagine filling your water bottle at home before heading out for the day, or preparing a family meal with water that's free from chlorine and other unpleasant tastes. You could be hosting a dinner party and want to impress your guests with fresh, clean water. With the APEC WFS-1000, you can be confident that what you serve is not only delicious but also safe. This system is also perfect for those living in areas where water quality may be a concern, providing an easy solution to ensure your water is filtered right at the source. In terms of installation, the APEC WFS-1000 is designed with user-friendliness in mind. Most homeowners with basic DIY skills can install it under their sink without needing professional help. Plus, with a 1-year satisfaction guarantee and lifetime support from certified water specialists based in California, you won't be left in the dark if you have questions or need assistance. In summary, the APEC Water System's WFS-1000 is a premium filtration system that combines quality, efficiency, and ease of use. With its three-stage filtration process, lead-free components, and long-lasting filters, it stands out as a trustworthy choice for anyone looking to improve their drinking water quality. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.